now attempts to complete and final stop at the gate, and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us, please check around your seat area and in the overhead compartments for any items you may have brought with you, and please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items tend to shift during flight and may fall out. As you leave the aircraft, please watch your step. There will be a flight floor level change onto the jetway, and please refrain from smoking until you're well within a designated smoking area. If you have gate checked any items such as car seats or strollers, please allow ground staff a few moments to make those items available to you and be brought to you just outside our boarding doors. If you are continuing on to a further destination, please check the video monitors in the holding area for your next gate assignment. But if Līhuʻe is your final destination, your checked luggage will be made available to you shortly at the Hawaiian Airlines baggage claim carousel located on the ground level. And if you haven't already gotten our Hawaiian Airlines World Elite MasterCard, we have a new and exciting offer that can get you closer to your next vacation with us. For a limited time during in-flight promotion, you will earn 60,000 bonus Hawaiian miles after your very first purchase. How it works is you complete the application and drop it in the mail, or you can scan the QR code on the back of the application and complete the process online. And if you use that, you're on your way to get your approved MasterCard in the mail. And you may be thinking, I see the advertisement, I can apply for this card anywhere, and you're absolutely right. However, if you were to apply for that same card directly online, you'd need to spend a minimum of $2,000 within the first 90 days in order to get those 60,000 bonus miles. With our in-flight promotion, once you receive your card, head on out and buy any item within the first 90 days, which could be as simple as a candy bar, a soda, or whatever your heart desires, and then you'll get your miles. 60,000 miles can be redeemed for up to 4 round-trip neighbor and flights, or a round-trip flight between Hawaii and one of our North American destinations like Seattle, Las Vegas, LA, or even as far as New York or Boston. And our newest perk for card holders is that you now get 2 complimentary check-in bags when you book your tickets directly with Hawaiian Airlines. Our flight attendant will have these applications available at the boarding door as you leave us today. Please feel free to take one with you, and because this is an in-flight offer, and you happen to be traveling with us today, your friends or family members can also benefit from this program. So, if you know anyone who would benefit from this opportunity, please take one for them as well. And don't forget, 60,000 Hawaiian miles after your very first purchase. It has been our pleasure bringing you here to Līhuʻe today, until we have the opportunity to have